your boy S for James back with another video. We've seen the unboxing of the EAFC car pump. Now I'm actually going to use it. So let's get it going here. And we're going to time it too. See how fast it pumps my tire back up. Let's do this. Take the cap off. Cap off. Let's put the little piece back on here. We're going to put it at 32 psi. So let's see how fast it does it. Power up. Hold your button right there. That's how you power it up. And then we're going to put the buttons over here. You have PSI. Oh, it's already on there on PSI. As you can see, it's already on PSI. I'm just going to hit down on the button right here. Put it at 32. Then we're going to hook it up to this. You can hear the air coming out of my tire. Says, it even tells you what your PSI is at on your tire. So it's at 19 right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to start this. But before we start this, let's put the timer on. A little stopwatch. So it's at 19 PSI, as you guys see. I have a stopwatch right here. I'm going to start it as soon as I hit the button. 1, 2, 3. And that's time. You guys see right here, 4 minutes and 35 seconds. It's actually pretty quick. It's actually pretty quick, you know, for it being a little small wireless setup, you know, portable. That's worth it. That's not bad at all. But you guys see, it packs a good punch. It's able to put my tire weight back up. It went from being 19 PSI all the way to 32. And looky there, the tire's all full again. Link and everything in my description. EAFC Car Pump. I definitely recommend, especially, you know, if you want to use it for like filling up your volleyballs, motorcycle tire, car tire. And it's just good. It's nice and portable too. It's not that big. You don't have to lug around the big pumps that have going to your cigarette lighter and everything like that. So I think it's definitely a good purchase. And on top of that too, I mean, it comes with a bunch of attachments, but it's really not that bad. Not bad at all. You can just leave this in your car, or if somebody has like a flat randomly, like a slow leak, you can at least help them out with this. I think it's definitely worth the purchase. So EAFC Car Pump, definitely buy it, guys.